Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this green tea matcha cake. Super food, super delicious. Start by whisking together 3 eggs and 90 grams of sugar. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of melted butter, and 45 milliliters of milk. Whisk that all up. Next, sift in 95 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of matcha powder. Mix that in with a spatula, and your green tea cake mixture is ready to pour into a lined cake tin. Bake that at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Once ready and cooled, slice the top off and then create 4 thin slices. Pop that aside and let's do our second cake mixture. For this we want 250 grams of cake mix, 3 eggs, 50 milliliters of milk and 30 milliliters of oil. Whisk those together and add 20 grams of honey. Now pour this into a lined cake tin. And bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Once your honey cake has cooled, you can slice the top off just as before and create thin layers. There, let's make the icing. For this we need 400 grams of cream cheese and 90 grams of sugar. Whisk those up and then sift in 10 grams of matcha powder. Whisk it all together. And finally add in 500 milliliters of whipping cream. Give it a good mix. And your cream cheese green matcha frosting is ready. Next, mix together 5 grams of matcha powder with 50 milliliters of hot milk. In a separate bowl, add 200 grams of white chocolate and pour on 150 milliliters of hot heavy cream. Mix until all the chocolate has melted. Then pour in the matcha milk. Blend those two together. Then add 20 grams of melted butter. And finally, 4 grams of gelatin. Mix that in. Now let's compile our cake. First, add a slice of green tea cake onto your plate and spread on green tea cream cheese frosting. Then add a layer of honey cake and repeat, alternating between the 2 cakes. Once you're done, smooth out the edges and coat the entire cake in green tea cream cheese frosting, using a turntable for ease. Smoothing it out. Then simply pour on your green tea ganache. Spreading it carefully to the edges and letting it drip down the sides. Look at that gooey deliciousness. Add a sprig of tarragon for a finishing touch, and there you have it, green tea matcha cake. Now simply slice and serve. Enjoy!